Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're going to explore a simple but essential word, ball. A ball is a noun that refers to a round object used in games or sports. It's a word that pops up often in daily life, and knowing how to use it can help you sound more natural in English conversations. Let's talk about some synonyms for ball. Words like sphere, orb, and globe can sometimes be used in similar contexts. For example, the child played with a colorful sphere in the park, or the glass orb reflected the sunlight beautifully. However, keep in mind that these synonyms are less common in casual speech when referring to sports or games. Now, let's consider antonyms. Since ball describes a round shape, words like cube, square, or box represent contrasting ideas. For example, you could say, instead of rolling, the cube stayed in place on the table. How do we use ball in everyday life? This word appears in so many contexts, from sports to fun expressions. Imagine you're talking about your favorite game. We played soccer for hours, and I kicked the ball straight into the goal. Or perhaps you're planning an activity. Let's bring a ball to the picnic so we can play catch. You might even hear it in common expressions like keep your eye on the ball, which means to stay focused, or the kids had a ball at the party, which means they had a lot of fun. Here are a few more examples to make things clear. The basketball team practiced dribbling the ball. She threw the ball so far that the dog couldn't catch it. During the game, the referee declared the ball was out of bounds. As you can see, ball is a versatile word that fits into many scenarios. That wraps up our exploration of the word ball. We learned that it's a noun describing a round object used in sports or games, and we looked at synonyms like sphere and orb, as well as antonyms like cube and square. We also saw how to use it in daily conversations and even in fun expressions. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word ball and share it as a comment. Until next time, keep learning and keep having a ball with English.